was a clear indication of their intentions, of their malified intentions, what they want to do with us. They want to use force, they want to use bullets, they want to use tear gas, baton charge, everything on anyone who's standing for Imran Khan. So we are standing here, we are not leaving the ground, no matter what they do. This is our fight for freedom, and we are not their slaves, so we will prove it. Let the elections come, we'll do it.
They said there's some 4,000 cops here. I mean, is this overkill? Is this too many police officers for one man?
If you turn around and look, there are thousands of cops. I can't give you the number, but that's what I've heard, that there are over 4,000 cops. Because not only cops, but there are rangers, FCs, and FCs, Federal Constability. And there are other forces too.
Are they expecting violence?
This security is the cause of violence. There's no violence. These people coming with Imran Khan, people coming here to receive Imran Khan, they are peaceful people. I mean, what are we asking for? We are asking that there are two assemblies have been dissolved. The courts have given the date, the 30th April, for elections. Every time Imran Khan goes out to rally for elections, the government panics. They impose 144, which is under Article 144, gathering of more than 4 people is not allowed. How can you run an election campaign in this? This is not allowed. By law, you cannot enforce 144 once the elections are announced. So these guys are scared of elections. They are scared of Imran Khan coming back into power because Imran Khan will hold them accountable for the money they stole from Pakistan, for the loot and plunder they have done to the national assets of Pakistan. So they have damaged Pakistan. We are at the verge of collapse, economic collapse. So the elections is the only solution to come bounce back.
Do you think with all of the chaos kind of surrounding this, this is kind of turned into a media spectacle, is this distracting in any way from elections going forward?
Of course it is. Of course it is. That's the intention, and that's what they are doing right now. But every time Imran Khan appears, whether it's going to the court, going for bail or anything else, it turns into a big rally. And I think it's helping him more in his upcoming elections.
But in a way, is Imran Khan, kind of continuing to puff up the media spectacle?
No, Imran Khan is right now is a center of attraction for media too, because if you look at the survey, 70% of the news on social media and the local televisions is about Imran Khan. 30% of news is without Imran Khan. So he at the moment is a media darling.
What do you think will happen when he shows up today inside the court?
Well, I don't know. It depends on the judges, but it's a fictitious case. With this Toshakhana, the state gifts. All of these guys who were shouting for the one watch that Imran Khan purchased from the Toshakhana for 50% after paying 50% and declaring it in his tax returns. Look at what happened to the others. Nawaz Sharif and Asif Ali Zardari, they bought BMWs from the Toshakhana, and which is by law is not allowed. Even by paying full amount is not allowed that you can purchase those vehicles, bulletproof cars. They took it home. Nawaz Sharif family took about over 200 gifts from the Toshakhana. All his ministers who were shouting out loud about it have got so many gifts from Toshakhana. But nobody is asking about them. But Imran Khan's case is highlighted, and this is all they got in his 4 years of rule, 4-year government, that he purchased a watch from Toshakhana. That's all. Nothing else. And on the contrary, the apartment in which, Evanfield apartment in which Nawaz Sharif is living, his family is living, they don't even have the proof of purchase. They don't even have the documents of purchase. They don't have rental agreements.
But why you are taking people to the...
Look at that.
It's okay, ji.